Yes, guys. Type 5 JDBC driver. Today I'll take a small topic that is Type 5 JDBC driver. I think January 4th onwards, what is confirmed, guys? January 4th onwards, what is confirmed? New batch of advanced Java that starts with servlets. I hope you have seen that in the poster. Yeah, new batch of servlet. That's it. So we have very less topics to complete. We have a batch processing, transaction management, row sets, same time. It just starts with the servlets. That's it. JDBC will be over. Row sets will come. Uh, row sets, connection pooling, save point. I think small topics are there. Yes, we can comfortably complete all the things in a week. Not a problem at all. Mm. So yes, today let's go for Type 5 JDBC driver. Type 5 JDBC driver. No, you have to log in with that one only, guys. Funny walla, everyone should log in with a new ID only. It's a common. Servlet is common for everyone. Again after verification, again they will give new ID with password, and that will be for entire servlets. Okay, got it now. Same. Whatever we did for JDBC, same thing. UP MS Access database downloading. Array MS Access is part of MS Office ra babu. Musaddi Karope. You might have installed MS Office, MS Word, MS Excel, right? Installed or not? It's a part of MS Access, is part of MS Office. Come on, computer basics was. Mm, right. It is not official driver given by. It is not official driver. JDBC driver given by what is this? Sun Microsystems. It is not official JDBC driver given by Sun Microsystems or Oracle Corporation. Official JDBC driver architecture given by Sun Microsystem or Oracle Corporation. Okay. This it is third party vendor created. What is the company? Data Direct Progress Company. Who created this? Data Direct Progress Company created it. This is third party vendor created. This is third party vendor created unofficial architecture 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 blaming type 4 driver JDBC driver architecture, blaming type 4 JDBC driver architecture. Understanding my statement, guys? Blaming type 4 JDBC driver architecture. Blaming type 4 JDBC driver architecture. Without without any official approval from, without having any official approval from Sun Microsystem or Oracle Corporation. Sun Microsystem or Oracle Corporation. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Everyone understanding my statement, guys? This is type 5 JDBC driver, boss. What driver, guys? Type 5 JDBC driver. Done, guys. After that, what is the next story to focus on? Sir, that's fine, but are there any limitations with the Type 5 driver? Type 4 driver. See, blamed by Type 5, but officially they are not limitation. Still powerful driver in the market is Type 4 only. Maybe Type 3 with Type 4 is more powerful, but individually Type 4 is great. Limitations of Type 4 JDBC driver said by Type 5 driver vendors. JDBC driver vendors said by Type 5 JDBC driver vendors. Okay, guys. Let's see. Number one. What is number one problem? The number one problem is the number one problem is very simple. Said by Type 5 JDBC driver vendors. Uh, Number one, what is that? Performance is inconsistent. Inconsistent performance. Inconsistent performance. What's the meaning of that? There is no guarantee same performance will be there all the times. Sometimes up, sometimes down. Something like inconsistent performance, guys. Inconsistent performance. Okay, up and down in the performance. We can say Virendra Sehwag is an inconsistent batsman. What here? Virendra Sehwag is an inconsistent batsman. In recent past, who is inconsistent, guys? Recent past, I think in Indian cricket, everyone is consistent. Almost everyone is consistent, right? Virendra Sehwag is an inconsistent batsman. Sahid Afridi is an inconsistent batsman. On their day, 1,000 runs. Kedar Jawad is an inconsistent batsman. Vijay Shankar is an inconsistent batsman, right? Okay. Up and downs in the performance. Up and downs in the performance. Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant, we can say inconsistent. Inconsistent, immature, bachpana batsman. Okay. Right. Right. Inconsistent batsman. Next one. All-in-one deployment. All-in-one deployment is not there. All-in-one deployment is not there. That means, okay, sometimes we will not get entire JDBC driver software in single jar file. In single jar. All-in-one deploy. Sometimes we will not get entire JDBC driver software in a single jar file. Strictly, okay, we will not get in a single jar file. We will get in multiple jar files here. That's another headache we are having. Come on, guys. All-in-one deployment is not there. Inconsistent performance. After that, what next, guys? Okay, boss. Enhancement of JDBC driver is not possible. And I want to Enhancement of JDBC driver is not possible. I should be in a position to modify certain features of JDBC driver. Is it? Do you think it's possible, guys? Do you think it's really possible? Not possible. Are they give as a single pack. Whatever they have given, you have to use. There is no question of enhancement. Okay. Standardization of standardization of okay. Acha, what one? Proprietary implementation. What is that? Proprietary. Proprietary. Proprietary implementation. Proprietary implementation is required to work with certain features. To work with certain features. To work with certain features, proprietary implementation is there. What's the meaning of that, guys? What is the real meaning of that? Come on, tell me. When I use the word proprietary implementation, when I use the word proprietary implementation, we have to use driver software specific classes, not the interfaces. Generally, we write JDBC code through interfaces so that our code remains same tomorrow if driver is changed, right? Connection, con, same, statement ST, same. Okay, those lines will same even though driver is changed. But while working with certain features, we have to work with driver software specific classes so that when driver is changed, database changed, code changes. So which is really bad, which is really bad. Not all feature for one, two features, especially row sets kind of features, boss. While working with row sets kind of feature, while working with row sets kind of feature, come on guys, row sets kind of features, we need to take JDBC driver software specific classes. JDBC driver software specific classes. Okay. Which will change, which will change, which will change driver software to driver software. JDBC driver software to driver software. Understanding my statement? These are the limitations, guys. Okay. To overcome these problems, acha, tomorrow at 11 o'clock we have a class. Are you listening, guys? Tomorrow at 11 o'clock we have a regular class. We have a class. Clear? Right. Tomorrow, the continuation of JDBC I will take. To overcome these problems, type 4 JDB, use type 5 JDB, same link guys, same link. Use type 5 JDBC driver software. Use type 5 JDBC driver software. Is that clear? Use type 5 JDBC driver software. We should think about working with the type 5 JDBC driver software. Your annotations class will be uploaded to YouTube maybe between 1-2 days because staff is on leave. Once he comes back, it will be uploaded. Use type 5 JDBC driver. That's cool, really cool. Right. Okay, guys. Architecture of type 5 JDBC driver is very much similar to tell me, type 4 JDBC driver software. That means It talks with the database software directly. It talks with the database software directly without taking the support of any other components. Without taking the support of any other components. Right. Without taking the support of any other component. Here is my Java application, guys. Here is my driver manager. Here is my driver manager, guys. Okay. Notify driver and talking to database. In this place, database software. This place, machine one. Yes. Here is my Java application. Right. Where is this? Type 5 JDBC driver. And here is my Oracle database software. Oracle database software. Yeah, this is Oracle Type 5 JDBC driver for Oracle only, guys. Type 5 JDBC driver for Oracle. Done. Nice, boss. After this, what next? Done, guys. I'm taking two missions. Mission 1. Here is my mission 10. Here is my network. Mission 1, mission 10. Here is my network. Come on, guys. Here is my Java application. What application, guys? Here is my Java application. Right. Here is what? Type 5 JDBC driver. Type 5 JDBC driver for MySQL. JDBC driver for MySQL. Type 5 JDBC driver for MySQL. Here is my MySQL database software. Yes, seriously, my MySQL database software. Done, boss. Okay. Here is my Java application. Nice. This to this. Right. This to this. Done, guys. Mission 1, mission 1 and mission 10. Here is the network, boss. Cool, guys. So this is about type 5 driver. Sorry, it is looking same as type 4 driver. That's what I said. That's the reason Sun Microsystems Oracle Corporation is not officially recognizing this fellow. Seriously not officially recognizing this fellow because it is looking same as what? It is seriously literally looking same as type 4 driver. Come on. Everyone got the clarity, guys. Come on. Are you understanding my statement? Copycat. Only the thing is we solve these problems. These are also not real problems. Okay, as of now, Progress Data Direct Company is giving is giving Type 5 JDBC driver for different database softwares. Hmm, okay, different database softwares as commercial JDBC drivers having 30 days trial period. Having 30 days trial period. How they are giving us Type 5 JDBC driver for MySQL, Type 5 JDBC driver for Oracle, JDBC driver for Oracle. Again, Type 5 JDBC driver for PostgreSQL and etc. Like this, they are giving, boss. They are blamed problem. They are not original problems also. Fine, boss. But those whatever jar you are getting for 30 days, na, there is a lengthy process, guys. There's a lengthy process to follow. Okay. Data direct, high performance increase, some number of things they say. There's a big process to follow, guys. There's a big process, not a small process. There's a lengthy process that we need to follow, not a simple process. Right. So now let me give data direct, data directs, type 5 JDBC driver for Oracle, type 5 JDBC driver for Oracle details. Data directs type 5 JDBC driver for Oracle details. Number one, JDBC driver class name. What is the JDBC driver class? We must understand what is the JDBC driver class name. Shall we understand that, guys? Okay, fine. JDBC driver, a very lengthy class name, guys. Okay, I will collect from any previous batch information. G drive, workspaces, advanced Java 112, JDBC pros 1, SRC com NT, JDBC type 5 test. Type 5 driver is not discussed. Huh? How come? How come that is not discussed, guys? Somewhere will be there. Type 5 will not be there at the beginning, maybe at the end. I think I don't avoid that. General I talk now. Search for it. Type 5. Is not coming. Yes, here is. Type 5 is there. Check it out. Type 5 is there. This is the driver class name, guys. Driver class name. This is the driver class name. Nice. URL JDBC URL. JDBC colon data direct colon Oracle. Here is my host name. Here is my port number. Here is my port number. Service name is the fixed word. SID is there. apart from that, what is there here? SID, service ID, nothing but SID. Getting my point there? SID. Super. Jar file, arakill.jar. Okay. A big process, a big process is involved to get this jar file. A big process is involved to get this jar file. So that's why just okay. Yeah, what you have to do? First, you have to download the zip file. In the zip file extraction, you will get one Java application to run. When you run the Java application, okay, you will get one setup file. When you install the setup file, then you will get the jar file. But it won't come directly. First, you have to keep the mail. Then they will send the zip file. Then you have to download the zip file. Minimum 1 week it takes to get the jar file. Then how you can we practice? Very simple. I will keep that jar file in the group. You collect and enjoy. I think I already kept in the group. I think I already kept in the group just to take it and enjoy. Okay. See this? Facebook.com. Search for search for arakill.jar. Search for arakill.jar. Looking for something? Yes. Arakill.jar. 1 minute. Arakill.jar is not coming directly. What we'll do like this. Search here. Typhi JDBC driver. Yes, here's a route. Go here, download Windows, see more. Database cloud service. This is the one thing. Typhi driver. I might have posted somewhere. I might have posted. Is there? Actually, if not there, I'll put one more time. Typhi driver. Typhi driver. Okay, no problem. I think it's not available here. It's not available here. How come? I think it. Oh, sorry. It won't allow to upload jars. It seems. Yes. It won't allow to upload jars, guys. That's a problem. That's a problem. But in my computer, it is there. I have done all the formalities, and in my computer, it is there. Softwares, softwares. Look at Typhi JDBC driver Arakill.jar. There are not there. But somehow I will try to send it to you people. Don't worry. I'll try to send this one to you people. Media fire something is there now. We can go for it. Okay. Now let's go for supports auto loading of driver class. Supports auto loading of JDBC driver class. Yes, I think I can give in the chat box. It seems right. I can give through chat box. I think last time I have supplied like this only. File from computer, from my computer. I can give that. This PC, softwares. Then what is this? Post, no. Typhi driver, arakill.jar. Check it out. It might come or not. Oh, it has sent to one particular person. 1 minute. Everyone, file from computer, arakill.jar. I think check it out whether it has come or not. A small jar file only. You can download. Collect from, okay, progress.com. Collect from progress.com. Not came. How come some people saying came, some people says not came, guys? Chat box, chat box. Once again, I am sending chat box. I don't type now. Please don't type few minutes. Don't type anything for few minutes. Now it came, guys. In the chat box, it came. It's showing green color tick also. No, Sarah. I think if you are having mobiles, light, take light, take from friends. Are you dealing with mobiles? The people who are dealing with mobiles, take light. Anyone who is dealing with mobiles, did they receive? The people who are working with mobile, did you receive? Mobile, I think not. That feature is not there. In mobile, that feature is not there, it seems, guys. Otherwise, I do one thing. Wait. I'll keep in Natras Java Arena account. Gmail.com. In mobile, it won't come, boss. I do know that. No, this is natras.java. Okay, I will go to Natras Java Arena. Not there. Add another account. The mail account is Natras Java Arena. Say next. Oh, password I forgot. Passwords I forgot, guys. I'm trying to send through Google Drive only. Yes, password is given. Google Drive. Google Drive. Upload files. G Drive. Workspaces. Workspaces. Not workspaces. Softwares. Softwares. Typhoid driver. Nice. This. Say refresh. Resend. Right click. Get link. Copy link. Get link. Copy link. Go to chat box. Everyone try this. Everyone please try this. Allows are from my side. What I can do, guys? What I can do to allow in the Google Drive? What should I do? Tell me. Any permissions are required? It's private. How to make it public? I don't know. It's saying private. Then how to make it public, guys? I click on get link only, na. Oh, restricted is there. Make it anyone with the link. Anyone with the link. Done. Now you try. I think you got it. Now it might have come. Yes, it came. Now everyone will get it. No problem. Okay. Jar file is ready. Supports auto loading of driver class. But okay. You can even collect from FB group. We can even think about collecting from our Facebook group, guys. Done. Then what is the next one? We have to think about jar file. Everything is okay. Procedure to develop JDBC application using type 5 JDBC driver for Oracle. Type 5 JDBC driver for Oracle. Step number 1, add Oracle.jar file to class path or build path. Add Oracle.jar file to class path or build path. Yes, I have to do that work. Right click, build path, configure build path. Build path, configure build path. Come on. Build path, configure build path. Libraries, add external jars, G drive softwares, G drive softwares. Come on, guys. Next. After that, what next? Next. Type 5 driver Oracle.jar. Apply any close. Then what is next one? Step number 2. Gather type 5 JDBC driver for Oracle details. Gather type 5 JDBC driver for Oracle details. You have to think about gathering those details, guys. Okay, fine. Refer above. If you refer above, you will get all the details there. Right now? Okay. Next. Step number 3. Step number 3. Develop the application. develop the application. That's it. Simply think about developing the application. Okay, guys. Right, boss? So we have to think about developing application using type 5 driver. So we have a lot of applications, guys. Type 2 select RS, something is there. We'll make it as what? Type 5 driver application. Yes, here is what? Type 5 select RS test.java. Again, select RS test.java. Get underscore student. Get underscore student. Fine. Now let's see. Loading of driver class name is optional. We know that. Here URL will be different. Jdbc colon. Next data direct colon. Data direct colon. What is this? JDBC colon data direct colon array colon slash slash colon array colon slash slash localhost. What's the port number? 1521. Yes. What's the port number? 1521. Semicolon service name is equal to semicolon service name is equal to yes ID. Yeah, it's their syntax, guys. It's there. Remaining all are same, guys. Nothing changes. Only URL changing. Driver class name is changing, and you know that driver class name is optional. So username, password same. Remaining everything is same. Right. Oracle.jar also added. Saying that your trial period is expired. Your trial period is expired. Evaluation period is expired. Evaluation period is this driver is expired. Please call Progress Data Company to get the product version, production version. Canada, this number, in this number, Germany, this number, other countries, this number. They have given numbers also for that. They have given numbers also for that. Did you notice this, guys? Come on, come on. Are you understanding my statement? Yes. Are you really going to call? No, I am not going to call. I think I have downloaded this ZAR first time in the year 2011. So what I do is I will go to this place, adjust date and time, adjust date and time temporarily, adjust date and time, adjust time automatically remove. Okay, then you start changing the date. Where is the option of changing date and time, guys? There should be option of changing date and time, na? Adjust date and time. I should be in a position to modify the date. Date and time. Where is the option of sync Nova? No, this one change. This is right. This is right. I'm choosing somehow in the year 2011, guys. I feel I have done at that time. Change it. Now come here. Right click, run on Java application. Invalid call to this. Okay, I will tell. I will tell. Actually, here query is not required. Prepared statement now, guys. Here query is not required. Recollect. Prepared statement now query is not required because already we are passing query here. That's why it worried. See, we got all the records are there. We are getting all the records there are not there. Speak out, guys. We are getting all the records from database table or not. That means we are able to work with the type 5 driver or not. Definitely we are able to work with the type 5 driver. What do you say? No doubt we are able to deal with the type 5 driver. Come on, guys. Convince it with me. Convinced or not? Yes. Okay, I changed the system date, nothing else. But it's only temporarily, boss. Permanently don't do it. Change automatically change. Now you'll get it. Fine. Nothing is there. Yeah, changing system date. Adjust, repeat last step. Without knowing system date, you are surviving in the software industry. Yeah? Srividya madam, off, change the system date. I downloaded in the year 2011 and I have to just take something in 2011. That's it. Come on. Someone asking, repeat last step. Anything great is there in the last step. It's all about changing system date. Change. Now, once the date is changed, okay. Once the date is changed, now you run the application. Output is coming. Okay. Now come back, adjust date and time. Now I'm again back to original year. Back to original year. Now you run the application, you will get exception. Guys, okay? Easier, not easier. Entire code is same, only this one is changing. Develop the application. No, if you change the date, only this software, other softwares will not work. Array, for trial purpose, I am showing Ra Babu. In company, they will take licensed versions. Use common sense. How innocently people ask the questions. In companies, they will take trial or stand licensed versions only. Here, only for knowledge sake, demonstration sake, I am doing it. Fine, boss. Everyone got it, guys? Right. Okay, one thing is clear. Achha, two more important FAQs are there. Let me share with you people. Why the URL of type 4 driver is very lengthy compared to other drivers? Why the URL of JDBC URL of type 4 and type 5 drivers is very lengthy compared to other drivers? I hope everyone noticed that type 4 and type 5 JDBC driver URL is very lengthy, right? Very lengthy. Type 2 driver is very short. Even type 3 also not that much bigger, right? Very simple, guys. Type 1, type 2 drivers are designed to locate the database software through vendor DB library. That means if these drivers are able to locate ODBC driver or vendor DB library, that is enough. Locating and talking to database software will be taken care by either ODBC driver or vendor DB library. Either ODBC driver or what? Vendor DB library. Understanding my statement, guys? Come on. That's why URL is very short. But type 4 and type 5 driver should locate and talk with local or remote database software directly. Should locate and talk with local or remote. That's why every information you have to keep there. Each and every information you have to keep there. Getting my point there, guys? Come on. You have to keep each and every information over there. Come on. Are you with me? We need to keep each and every information there. What do you say, guys? That's a lot of information will be there. Okay. So question is, why the URL of type 4 and type 5 JDBC drivers? JDBC driver is very lengthy. Is very lengthy. Why the URL of type 4 and type 5 JDBC driver is very lengthy? Answer. Type 1 driver, type 1 driver. If type 1 driver locates ODBC driver, then that ODBC driver takes the responsibility of responsibility of locating local or remote database software. If type 1 driver locates ODBC driver locally, then ODBC driver takes the responsibility of locating local or remote database software. If type 2 driver locates vendor DB library, what library? Vendor DB library locally or locally. Vendor DB library locally. Of takes the responsibility of locating local or remote database software, not ODBC driver, vendor DB library. Note. What is that, guys? Note, guys. Tell me, what is the note I have to give, guys? Yes. Tell me the note, guys. Here, type 1, type 2 drivers. Type 1 or type 2 drivers. JDBC driver is responsible only to locate the local database. Okay, only to locate the local ODBC driver or vendor DB library. So ODBC driver or vendor DB library. So come on, guys. ODBC driver or vendor DB library. Come on, guys. So its URL is, so their URLs are very short. So their URLs are very short. So their URLs are very short. Come on. After that, what is the next story? Type 4 comma type 5 drivers. JDBC drivers directly interacts with database software, directly locates and interacts with locates and interacts with the database software without taking support of any other components. So we need to mention, we need to specify multiple details in the JDBC URL. So it always looks very lengthy. It always look very lengthy. Are you comfortable with me, guys? Understanding my statement here? Everyone getting my point there or not there? Comfortable with me or not? Why it is very lengthy? Because other things will take the support of other components to locate the database software. But this one has to talk with the database software directly. That's why the URL is very lengthy, guys. That's the reason the URL is quite lengthy, very, very lengthy one. Everyone enjoyed my point there? Right. Okay. Anyone observe this one carefully? Sun Microsystem gives interfaces. Sun Microsystem gives JDBC API interfaces. Interfaces like connection, statement, connection statement. Tell me, come on, guys. Statement, prepared statement, and etc. Connection statement, prepared statement, and etc. This is Sun Microsystem, guys. Vendor companies, vendor one, come on, vendor one Arakil Corporation, vendor one like Arakil Corporation creates JDBC driver for Arakil by implementing above interfaces. Come on, guys, by implementing above interfaces, having class names, T4C connection, what is that? Implementing connection interface. Next one, Arakil statement wrapper. Come on, Arakil statement wrapper. Implementing statement interface. Implementing statement interface. Arakil statement wrapper, implementing statement interface. Next, Arakil result set IMPL. Arakil result set IMPL. Implementing result set interface. Okay, guys, like this. Vendor 2. Vendor 2, tell me. Like MySQL, vendor 2, like what is this? DevX configuration. Creates JDBC driver for MySQL by implementing above interfaces, having class name. Let us assume MySQL connection, MySQL statement. Come on. Okay, MySQL result set. Let us assume this kind of interface name, class names are there. But listen, guys, mm, Sun Microsystem will do, vendor companies will do like this. Okay. Java developers, nothing but programmers, uses JDBC driver softwares to develop. But okay, all objects will be referred by referred by Sun Microsystems applied common interfaces, common interfaces, not specifying, JDBC driver software specific classes. This is called achieving loose coupling with interfaces. Achieving loose coupling with interfaces. Tell me, guys, while writing code in JDBC application, are we highlighting these class names? These class names? No. We highlight only these interfaces now, guys. Okay, Sun Microsystem gives interfaces. Vendor companies implements the interfaces. Vendor companies implements the interfaces. Come on. And client application will try to use the interfaces. Simply client application will try to use the interfaces. It is called achieving loose coupling with the interfaces. Now tell me, to establish the connection, are you using connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection? Yes. Statement st is con dot create statement. Everyone understood my point, guys? Come on.